Welcome to Lisa Motel, a cozy haven located in the heart of Houston, Texas. At Lisa Motel, your comfort is our priority. Enjoy hassle-free parking and a warm welcome at our 24-hour front desk. Convenience is just the beginning. Settle into your home away from home. Each room boasts clean, comfortable beds, a modern bathroom, and free high-speed Wi-Fi. With amenities like a microwave mini fridge and premium cable TV, relaxation is effortless. Explore Houston's vibrant culture. Just a short drive away, discover downtown attractions, beautiful parks, and renowned museums. Lisa Motel, where every stay is special and every guest is family. Book your stay today at Lisa Motel, where comfort meets convenience and memories await. Check out our website link in the video description below. Visit us at www.lisamotelhouston.net